It was kind of funny because I dressed and undressed 3 times. That radiologist apparently was very meticulous and careful, and he wasn't sure if he'd seen something. So after the 3rd time of, again, undressing and getting the mammogram done in the span of an hour, he called me in and he said, I think that I'm looking at something that your doctor will fully explain to you, but it does seem to be malignant. And that was the beginning of my travels dealing with cancer. I respect the fact that Florida Hospital treated me the way I want to be treated, which is professionally, and that is never withhold the truth. Even if it's a hard truth, I need to hear it. From the beginning of the day of detection of my cancer until today, I can happily report that I am cancer-free. My name is Sylvia Ibanez. This is my hospital.